Welcome to Module 5. You've spent 4 modules mastering the data. Now it's time to let that data do something truly remarkable. Teach the machine. This is the start of our journey into machine learning foundations. Module 5 is our turning point. You have earned the tools. Now you will learn what they can actually do. We will define machine learning, map out the different learning types, and start building our first models. We have an exciting arc ahead across 12 episodes. We'll go from the basic definition of machine learning all the way to building your own working churn predictor by the capstone. In this episode, we will focus on 3 key objectives: precisely defining machine learning, identifying the 3 learning types, and learning how to frame the honest prediction question. Before we dive into technical definitions, let's look at a thought experiment that makes the core idea of machine learning impossible to forget: the case of the spam filter. Imagine trying to write rules for a spam filter. If you flag emails containing free, spammers just switch to FR3E. Rules are easily broken by reality, and spam is far too complex for manual rules. What if, instead of writing those fragile rules yourself, you showed the machine 10,000 examples and let it discover the rules on its own? That simple flip is the foundation of the entire field. This shift from a rules-first approach to an example-first approach is the fundamental change that defines machine learning as a discipline. In traditional programming, you are the intelligence providing every rule. With machine learning, you supply the data, and the program infers its own rules. Your work preparing that data remains vital. Tom Mitchell famously defined it: a program learns from experience if its performance on a task improves with that experience. In plain English, feed it examples, define the task, and measure its progress. It is also critical to understand what machine learning is not. It is not magic. It does not truly understand context, and it is not always the best answer to every business problem. Here is a statistic to remember. Roughly 80% of business value in machine learning comes from simple, foundational models. Master these fundamentals before chasing complex architectures. There are 3 main roads in the map of machine learning. In this module, we will focus on 2 of them and acknowledge the third. The main road is supervised learning. This is where you provide labeled examples, inputs paired with correct answers, and the model learns to map them, minimizing its mistakes along the way. The side road is unsupervised learning. Here, there are no labels and no right answers. You provide raw data, and the algorithm identifies inherent patterns, groupings, and structures within that data. Reinforcement learning is our final type. It involves an agent interacting with an environment, learning from rewards and penalties to maximize success over time. While fascinating, it requires a unique framework and is outside the scope of this particular video. Here we see these 3 types side by side. Supervised learning acts as the engine of this module, while unsupervised learning makes a cameo. Reinforcement learning is mentioned for context, keeping our scope clearly defined. To move forward, we need a shared vocabulary. We'll use 4 specific terms: features, which are your inputs; target, the value you predict; training, the learning process; and inference, the application of your model to new data. You've been using these concepts in your work already, just with different labels. We are simply mapping your existing M4 experience onto the standardized vocabulary that machine learning practitioners use worldwide. The most vital lesson in this module is that prediction is not explanation. This distinction is the ethical spine of our work and is foundational to how we approach data responsibly. Recall the 3 explanations rule for correlation. A causes B, B causes A, or a third factor C causes both. A model can identify a pattern, but it cannot automatically tell you which of these causal truths is at play. We distinguish between predict to act, which uses models to identify flags for intervention, and explain to decide, which requires deep causal understanding. This module trains you to be dangerous with the former and honest about the latter. In the real world, these two goals often blur. It is your professional responsibility to recognize when a project pivots from prediction to strategy, and to clearly articulate the limitations of your model when that happens. Choosing whether to use machine learning is a skill in itself. We will apply a decision framework to help you determine when an algorithmic approach is the right tool for the job. The best news for your journey is that you already know the core math. If you completed the previous 4 modules, you have already performed the fundamental operations required for linear modeling. Matrix multiplication and dot products are the engine of linear regression. Machine learning simply automates the iteration and weight adjustment process. We will build this logic by hand to demystify how it works under the hood. Your tidy orders CSV file from Module 4 is not just an old project, it is the essential fuel for our work here. This single dataset will power our models throughout the next 12 episodes. Loading this data is straightforward. We use pandas to bring your cleaned, engineered features into our environment. This shows that your previous work was never just bookkeeping, it was essential preparation for this stage. Our primary tool will be scikit-learn. It is the industry standard for a reason. Its consistent API allows you to apply the same commands, fit and predict, across a vast array of different algorithms. We have a clear path ahead. Our 12-episode map is designed to build your skills step by step, ensuring you reach the capstone with confidence. Let's begin the ascent. We have 2 main roads ahead: Supervised Learning, which will occupy episodes 2 through 10, and Unsupervised Learning in episode 11. Both paths will ultimately converge at our final capstone project. Supervised Learning forms the core of our journey. We start by building linear regression by hand, moving through train test splits, classification metrics, feature engineering, and finally advanced tree-based models and pipelines. In episode 11, we explore unsupervised learning. Here, the target column vanishes. Instead of predicting an outcome, we use clustering to find hidden groups, applying the same distance-based intuitions you developed earlier in Module 3. Episode 12 is our capstone, the churn model. This is where your learning culminates. You will synthesize every tool and technique acquired to build a production-ready system, briefed exactly as a professional data scientist would. Your first task is the framing worksheet. This is the crucial foundation for every subsequent episode. You must clearly define your prediction question, identify your target column, select 5 candidate features, and declare your intended use type. The worksheet is the thread that ties the module together. In episode 5, it defines your churn model. In episode 7, it guides your feature engineering. And by episode 12, it serves as your formal stakeholder briefing document. Remember that prediction is not explanation. Whether you are analyzing feature importance in trees or reviewing coefficients, you must always determine if your goal is to predict to act or explain to decide. This distinction remains essential throughout the entire module. To recap, machine learning lets data define the rules. Supervised learning is our 10-episode backbone, and always maintain the professional distinction between predicting outcomes and explaining causes. Coming up next is episode 2, the first model. You will build linear regression from scratch, learning the weights and loss function without any library shortcuts. It is the moment where your math truly comes to life. Your final action item for episode 1 is to complete the framing worksheet. Open your data, define your target and features, and finalize your core question. This foundational work ensures your success in everything that follows. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI.